Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look. This is my summertime bronzy, super simple. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm just doing easy, super bronzy, glowy summertime makeup. I figured I could start figuring out what I would like to do for summer makeup, even though it's still snowing. It's currently snowing. It's been snowing all morning. So I'm gonna start with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 priming spray. So I got the background set up. I kind of switched it up a little bit from last time. Let me know what you guys think. I might end up switching it around still. I've been really tired lately, so I need to get back on a routine though. I really do. And then for a primer, I'm going to take the Becca Backlight priming filter. I want to go glowy. I'm trying to decide if I should curl my hair today or straighten it. I kind of want to curl it because I haven't curled it in forever. So this is going to be like really easy makeup. It's going to be minimal eyes, like I said, very bronzy and glowy. For foundations, I'm going to mix the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation and the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage foundation. I'm just going to mix about half and half. Blend that out with my Morphe M439. Okay, so this is what the foundation is looking like. I think I like those two mixed right off the bat. They look good. Those are two of my favorite foundations at the moment. I have never mixed them before though. So it's not super full coverage. I still see quite a bit showing through. Oh, I wish these breakouts would heal all the way. It's super weird because I keep getting these breakouts, but it's like they won't go all the way away. They just stay there. And like this one right here, it's just sat there and it hasn't gotten any better and it won't go away. It's really annoying. But anyways, you could definitely build up this foundation. You could do a second layer on the cheeks. I'm trying to think if I want to do that or not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna mix a little bit more and just build that up a little bit to get a little more coverage. Normally my problem area, like my worst problem areas, are my cheeks right here, and it's hilarious because now my like forehead looks horrible all the time. So just adding a second layer to the cheeks and the outside of my forehead. I'm in a mixing mood, I guess, but for concealers, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Naked Skin Concealer in Fair Neutral and the Catrice Liquid Camouflage in Light Natural. The Urban Decay concealer is a lot lighter, so I keep that concentrated on the inner corner. I find that these concealers are more hydrating. They're really easy to blend out. I think they look really good on the skin, like at all times. Once I have that all blended out, I'm going to take the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Setting Powder, and I'm taking this Moda powder brush, and I just go in to make sure there are no creases. Go ahead and set the eye. Look at how much more blurred that made this eye. Wow. Make sure the creases are tapped out as much as they can be before I go ahead and set the rest of my face. I really like that powder. I have not used that in quite a while. I really liked this brush too. I got this in a set in BoxyCharm a while ago. It was these two right here. And I really like this brush for setting the face. It's a little more dense and it's not like as big. Normally I get like those huge fluffy brushes to set my face. I actually really enjoy this size. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows now. I have 2 different products here. These are also BoxyCharm items that I have not even opened yet. This is the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. And then I also have the Mellow Brow Definer. Not really sure, but I thought I would try these out. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a pencil. Probably not. I don't like pencils. Let me look at this cushion. All right. Well, I like the packaging. It looks pretty bougie. So you open it and take the little sticker off, and this is what it looks like. You have a darker side and then a lighter brown over here. And it also comes with this little tool. So you have the little brush on one side and the spoolie on the other side. The spoolie is small. This thing's weird. I mean, it'd be good. The packaging is good for like traveling or if you don't have a lot of space for some reason. But okay, I will try this. So I'm probably not even gonna use that pencil. I'm annoyed. For some reason I thought it was gonna be like a kind of like a liquid pen for eyebrows, and it's not. And I wish I wouldn't have opened it, but I'll probably just give this away because I don't like pencils. They just don't work for me. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the lighter side and do that on the front half of my brow. Dang, I wonder how dark the dark is gonna be then. Okay, that went from like I barely wanted to do my brows to looking so good. Wow, I think I like this product. It was super easy. It was really easy to blend it. It went on really easily. Okay, so they don't match. Ignore that. I really like the way that my brows turned out though. I think if I took a little bit more time, because I'm being lazy today, but if I took a little bit more time, I think I really could like this product a lot. So far I'm impressed. I'm just taking my Gimme brow. Wow, my brows look super dark. That's okay, it's fine. I think I want to take a little bit of this Brighten Up powder on this Morphe E8 and just bring that under my eyes. Okay, so for contour, I'm gonna take the Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula, and I'm gonna take the Luxie 680. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour the face. For bronzer and blush, I'm gonna go into the Cheekaton palette. I'm gonna take Hoola, and then I think I'm gonna take Dandelion for the blush. Oh, I forgot I wanted to try this blush palette. Maybe I'll just add some. I'm gonna take some of this middle shade, even though I just added like so much blush. That's okay, I wanna go really bronzy, glowy summertime makeup. That's really pretty. Ooh, I like that blush. That was really pigmented. That was beautiful. I'm just gonna take that brush that I used to set the face and just kind of make sure everything is blended as much as it can be. And then I'm taking this brush and taking the banana powder, the Brighten Up banana powder again, and just carving out that contour. For highlighter, I'm gonna go into the Makeup Revolution Soph X palette. This one is such a good one. I really need to wash my brushes. And I'm gonna dip into this shade and this pearly shade. Just gonna dust that away. For eyes, I'm just gonna take random shadows. Just keep it very neutral. And then just pop a shimmer shade right. I mean, it's just gonna be super simple. Okay, so I just threw some browns in the crease, blended them out really nicely. It's like very light, calm eyes, but I think it looks really pretty. So then I'm just gonna take Ploof in this palette, which is a pinky champagne shimmer. Oh, so pretty. Just put that all over the inner part of the lid. Taking the Brighten Up banana powder again and just putting that right under the brow. And then I am gonna take the highlighter that I used, just taking the white one and popping that on the inner corner and right under the arch of the brow. So I'm just gonna take these Eyelure lashes and pop on mascara and those lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I popped on mascara and lashes. I did do my lipstick off camera because I forgot. I used the Lorac Highly Pigmented lipstick in Minimalist, and then I went over the top of it with the Revolution lip topper in Exquisite. So this is the finished makeup look. I think it looks really pretty. It's not like super light, like I put a lot of makeup on my face today, but it just looks very fresh, really pretty, not too heavy, not too intense. The eyes are super simple. The face makeup is really simple. I just really like this look. A go-to look for this summer. And I also think that it was super easy to create, and I'm pretty sure I'll be lazy this summer. So yay. Oh, baby update. I hit 12 weeks and I'm not throwing up anymore. So hopefully the morning sickness is gone for good. I'm super excited to be back and filming videos. Hopefully I can just get right back into it. Just get back to it. Get back into a routine and get back to doing stuff that I love to do. Make sure if you liked this video to give it a thumbs up so that I know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products or looks you want me to try out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.